Good morning and Jai Hind students. Today is the class of physics and today's topic is effects of force. Today's topic is effect of force. So how the force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest, how its effect on force. So first, what is the effect of force on the different bodies or different objects? First I will write here a force acting on a body force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest. So this is the effect very big effect of force. A force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest. Okay, for example I will write here, for example, as a force can make a stationary body move. Okay, a force can make a stationary body move. For example, when you kick a stationary football, when you kick a stationary ball, it's move, it certainly move. Okay, so what is the example of this term, this related term? What is the example of this term? When you kick a stationary football, it moves. Okay, it moves. The second most important effect of force is a force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. Understood? A force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. What is the example of this? So I will write here example. Example of this, the batsman hits the ball to change its direction. Understood? The batsman hits the ball to change its direction. The second effect of force is here, third one. A force can change the shape can a force can change the shape and size of an object. For example I will write here, shape of balloon after and before. First, second example, shape of toothpaste tube after and before. You can write here in this format. So a force can change the shape and size of an object. Next I will write here fourth effect of force. A force can stop a moving object. When a fielder catch the ball, moving ball, to stop the moving ball, so this is the example of this one. And I will write fifth effect of force. A force can change the speed of a moving object. Understood? So I will write here for the diagram, example of diagram. Force applied of this object. This is the object. Understood? This is the object, moving object, and force applied from this direction. Understood? Or object in motion in this direction. Both force and object in motion, both direction is same. And what is the result of these two action? Speed becomes increases. Okay, so in speed increases, I will write here speed increases in this direction. Understood? This is the action. This is the resultant or result. Understood? Again I will write here when the object goes in this direction, but force applied from upward direction or backward direction. Okay, so what is the result of these two action? So I will write here speed becomes decreases. So speed decreases. So today's what you learn about this, today's class you learn about this effect of force. What is the meaning of effect of force? A force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest. Okay, this is the example. A force can make a stationary body move. Understood? So today's assignment for you, I will write here today's assignment, date 7/5/20, and first question I will write here, question number 1. Write all the effects of forces. Question number 2, right, first question, write all the effect of forces. Question number 2, what happens to the speed of a moving object when it is pushed in the direction of its motion. This is the second question, and I will write here third question for you. A body is acted upon by two forces. A body is acted upon by two forces of 200 Newton and 300 Newton in same direction. Then what is the question? What is the resultant force acting on it. Okay, so this is the three question. First question, write all the effect of forces. Second question, what happens to the speed of moving object when it is pushed in the direction of its motion? And third question, a body is acted upon by two forces of 200 Newton and 300 Newton in same direction. What is the resultant force acting on it? So three question is enough for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.